Ready to boost your Excel skills and take control of your data? Today we are going to explore the Excel interface, your gateway to work faster and more efficiently. Let's unlock the full potential of Excel in just few minutes. Hi, I am Taib and welcome back to our Excel Mastery series. If you are preparing for an exam, interview, or simply looking to improve your skills, today's session on Excel interface will help you to level up. Grab your workbook and let's dive into the hand-on practice. Open a new Excel workbook and follow along with me. Practicing as we go will help you to master these skills faster. Ready? Let's jump into the Excel interface and explore. Let's begin by exploring the powerful feature of Microsoft Excel Startup Screen, your command center for data analysis and visualization. This screen is the first thing you see when opening Microsoft Excel, offering quick access to essential tools and resources. Let's break down each section of the layout to help you navigate and utilize Microsoft Excel welcome page more efficiently. Starting on the left, let's focus on Home tab. This is your quick access point for frequently used workbooks and commands. It's perfect for jumping back into project or starting fresh. As we move on the left side, let's explore the New tab. Offers a quick way to create new workbook or choose from professional templates for tasks like budgeting, calendar management, and report creation. These templates save time and provide polished result. Continuing our exploration, we come to the Open tab, a valuable feature in Microsoft Excel that streamlines your workflow. This tab provides quick access to your recent files and allows you to search for documents stored on your device or in the cloud service like OneDrive or SharePoint. Following that, we have the Share tab, which enables instant collaboration with your colleagues or stakeholders through cloud service or email. This feature facilitates seamless teamwork by allowing you easy share your documents and work together in the real time. Let's take a moment and discuss the Get Add-ins tab. This feature enhances Excel capabilities by allowing you to integrate additional tools specifically designed for advanced data analysis and visualization. By using customizable extensions from this tab, you can boost your skills and productivity in Excel. Moving on, we come to in the Info tab, which provides valuable insight into your workbook. This tab includes information about your permissions and properties, also about your version history. It's crucial for managing access and understanding documents detail, especially in collaborative environment. Next, we have Save and Save As tab, which provides option to save your file or your workbook either locally on your device or to the cloud. You can also choose from various formats to save your file, such as PDF, CSV, based on your specific needs. We'll continue with the Print tab, where you can configure printing settings such as layout, margin, and orientation. This allows you to ensure that your printed documents look professional and meet your specific requirements. The Export tab allows you to convert your workbook into various formats such as PDF, making it easy to share and create professional presentations. These features ensure that your documents maintain their formatting and are accessible to others. After that, we have the Close tab, which useful for efficiently switching between workbooks while keeping Excel open. This feature allows you to close the current workbook without exiting the entire application, making it easy to manage multiple projects at once. Let's move on to the Account tab, where you can manage your account setting, subscription, and connect services such as cloud storage. This tab allows you to personalize your Excel experience to better suit your needs and preference. Finally, we conclude our left side tour with the Option tab, where you can customize your Excel setting to align with your workflow preferences. This includes adjusting file location, selecting preferred file format, and customize the ribbon to ensure your productivity. Now that we have explored the left side, let's turn our attention to the center side of Microsoft Excel startup screen. At the top, you will find the pre-designed templates for common tasks such as budgeting and calendar management. These templates allows you to create polished professional layouts quickly and easily. And just below that, you will find recent workbooks, which allows you to quickly access files you recently worked on. These features help you stay organized while juggling multiple projects or tasks, making it easier to pick up where you left off. Now that we have covered the layout of Excel startup screen, it's time for some hands-on practice. Let's put what we have learned into action. Ready? Let's get started. Imagine you are in an interview and the manager leans forward asking you, how would you create professional documents quickly using Excel templates? Here is how to impress. Step 1, navigate to the New tab on Excel startup screen. Click on New. Think of it as opening the door to endless possibilities. Browse the templates or simply type keywords like invoice, this is your toolkit saving you time and efforts. Step 3, select the templates that fits your needs. Click create. Instantly you have polished pre-formatted workbook ready to go. Using templates shows your efficient and adaptable qualities any employer value. Excel has done the hard work, so why reinvent the wheel? And that is next. Let's explore how to access workbooks from a cloud platform, vital for create a collaborative environment. Imagine you are in an exam and the instructor asks you, how do you access Excel workbooks stored in the cloud? Here is a quick rundown. Step 1, navigate to the Open tab on Excel startup screen. Click Open. It's like opening your door to your digital office. Step 2, select the cloud service like OneDrive. From the menu, your files are ready, available, just waiting for you to access them. Choose and open your file. It's simply as that. With cloud storage, your documents are at your fingertips. Whether you are at office, at home, on the go, this flexibility is a game changer for collaboration and productivity. No more, I left it at work. Your files are always just a click away. And with that, we have covered the steps. Stick around, there is more exciting content coming your way as we explore essential skills, Excel skills for cloud integration. Imagine you are in exam and the instructor asks you how do you access and organize a workbook stored across different cloud platforms. It's easy. Let me walk you through it. First, navigate to the Open tab on Excel startup screen. This is your gateway to accessing file. Next, choose the cloud platform you are using, such as OneDrive or SharePoint. These options keep your work synchronized and easily accessible. Then browse through the folders and select the file you need. It's easy and simple. Finally, for maximum efficiency, organize your files by creating folders or pinning important workbooks for quick access later. Remember, a place for everything and everything in its place keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. And that concludes our steps. Now, let's dive into managing multiple workbooks efficiently, a must know skills for interviews and exams. Imagine you are in an interview and the hiring manager asks, how do you organize multiple Excel workbooks to improve your workflow? Let's explore that. First, navigate to the Home tab on Excel Startup screen. Then, go to the Recent Workbooks. This will give you a list of all your most recently accessed file. Next, find the book you frequently use, hover over it, and click the pin icon. This action will keep it pinned at the top of your list, ensuring it's always within easy reach. How simple is that? Next, we'll dive into an essential security feature restricting access to a workbook, a common interview and exam question. Imagine you are in an interview and the interviewer asks you how would you manage permissions in Excel to restrict access for certain user. Let's explore that. Protecting sensitive data like keeping your secret recipe safe. You want to make sure only the right people have access. Here's how to do it. First, open a workbook you want to secure, then go to File tab and click on Info. This is your control hub for Workbook security setting. Next, click on Protect Workbook, and from the drop down, select Restricted Access. After that, choose the level of access you want to assign, such as read only. User can view the workbook but cannot make any changes. Or you can assign edit. User have editing rights, but they are restricted from making other significant changes like copying or saving into other format. Finally, assign these permissions to specific users by entering their email address or selecting them from the organization directory. Following these steps can efficiently manage who has access to your Excel workbook and what they can do with it. I hope you are enjoying the tutorial so far. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Now that we have mastered managing permissions for different users, let's move on to another crucial aspect of workbook security, encrypting the entire workbook to protect sensitive information. Imagine you are in an interview and the interviewer asks you how would you secure an Excel workbook to protect sensitive information when sending it outside your organization. Let's explore that. Encrypting a workbook is an essential step when you need to send sensitive information outside your organization. It ensures that only user with the password can access the workbook's content. Here is how. First, open a workbook you want to secure. Then click on File and Info. Then choose the Protect Workbook from the option available and select Encrypt with Password. After that, a dialog box will appear prompting you to enter a strong password. Make sure it's something complex, combining uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and special character for adding security. Finally, re-enter the password and click OK. The workbook is now encrypted. Only those with the password can access it. Make sure to double check the password before clicking OK to avoid getting locked out. And that concludes our steps. Up next, let's dive into saving files in specific formats and essential skills for interviews. Imagine you are in an interview and the hiring manager asks you how do you save file in different format to ensure compatibility across Excel versions. Let's explore that. First, head to the Save and Save As tab on the Excel startup screen. This is your go-to spots for saving files in different formats. Next, choose where do you want to store file, on OneDrive or on this PC for local storage. Browse through the folder to create or create a new if needed and enter the name of the file. In my case, I will be saving as budget. In the drop down, select the file format such as XLSX or for a latest version or XLS for older version. Finally, click Save. Remember, when working with the teams or clients, choosing the right format ensures the smooth collaboration, and that concludes our steps. Great job so far. Next, we are focusing on the print tab. Let's explore how to set up your worksheet for perfect printout. Picture this, you are sitting in an exam and the question reads, how would you set up and print a worksheet using the print tab? Let's explore that. First, click on the print tab on Excel startup screen. This is your control panel for all things printing. Next, choose your printer from the printer drop-down menu. Simply enter the copies of you wish to print. Then in the settings section, decide what you want to print. Entire workbook, a specific section, or just the active sales. You can even set up the page orientation, paper size. After that, check out the print preview pane on the right side. Make sure everything's aligned. If so, click on print and let the magic happen. And that concludes our steps. Next, we are exploring the Export tab, which is ideal for sharing polished reports. Imagine you are sitting in an Excel interview and the hiring manager asks
You need to share a financial report, but your clients prefer in PDF format. Something clean and easy to print. How would you use the Export tab to get all that done? Let's explore that. First, head over to the File tab and click Export. Next, select the PDF documents. It's like turning your workbook into a polished, non-editable format, perfect for sharing with clients. Then click Create PDF. Then choose where you want to save it on your and give it your file a name. Finally, hit Publish, and you've got all set. Great job so far. Next, let's dive into the difference between Excel versions and their impact on file compatibilities, an important Excel exam topic. Imagine you are in Excel exam and the question reads, what are the difference between Excel versions and how do they impact file compatibility? Let me walk you through it. Excel, much like technology, keep evolving. Staying updated helps you to avoid compatibility issues and keep your work seamless. First, consider Excel 2010 versus Excel 365. The Excel 365 brings features like real-time collaboration and data visualization tool, which older versions like Excel 2010 don't support. Next, there is the difference in file formats. The modern format is like XLSX, introduced in Excel 2007, can handle more data and features, while the older format XLS is more limited. Now let's make sure you keep your files compatible. First, go to the File, then navigate to the Account tab or File Help in older versions to check your version under the product information. The key for understanding feature availability. Imagine working with the colleagues on Excel 2010. Ensuring compatibility keeps everything smooth, avoiding unnecessary tech headaches. And that's how it is. Great job so far. Next question will be our last topic in this tutorial, focusing on customizing Excel setting for more even control on your workflow. Imagine you are sitting in exam and the instructor asks how would you customize the Excel option tab to enhance your workflow. Here is how to impress. Step 1, click on File. Step 2, scroll down and select Option. This will open Excel option dialog box, your toolbox for customizing how Excel works for you. Step 3, dive into key categories. First up, let's talk about general setting. Here you can adjust interface setting like a quick access toolbar. Think of it as organizing your toolbox for easy access. Next, save setting. This is where you can change default file format to XLSM for macros, or set OneDrive as your default save location. Why is this important? Well, it's mean you'll always know where your files are. No more needle in the hashtag situation. Lastly, let's discuss the advanced setting. Here you can find tune editing and disable option. For example, you can choose to open multiple sheets by default or disable hardware acceleration if Excel feels slow. And there you have it, folks. This wraps up our tutorial on Excel Startup Screen. I hope you had fun and pick up some useful information.
Thanks for watching Excel Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any tips and or tricks. There is plenty more to come, and we want to miss any of it. Got a question or topic you would like to discuss? Drop your comment in below and keep the conversation going. Stay sharp, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.